Why don't golfers ever get old? Because they always stay in the swing of things with the best golf irons for seniors 2022. Even their golf balls have less wrinkles. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best golf irons for seniors 2022. Tip 1. Check for shaft material. For senior golfers, graphite shafts are usually the best option when choosing the best golf irons. Graphite shafts are lighter and more flexible, which allows for a higher clubhead speed and minimal strain on the wrists and elbows as compared to the steel shafts. Tip 2. Look for the right flex. The flex of the golf club is another crucial factor to consider. The slower the swing speed, the higher the flex of the club should be. A higher flex, such as regular or senior flex, provides more bend on the shaft, which leads to greater distance even with a slower swing speed, perfect for senior golfers. Tip 3. Choose the proper club head. The club head can greatly impact your shots. As a senior golfer, you should consider irons with a larger perimeter-weighted club head. These are more forgiving, meaning they will perform better on off-center hits. Tip 4. Pay attention to loft. Lofts in irons can significantly influence the trajectory and distance of a golf ball. For seniors who already have slower swing speeds, a higher loft would be more beneficial, as it can help get the ball in the air for more distance. Tip 5. Opt for a low center of gravity. Irons with a low center of gravity, Koji, are advantageous for seniors as they help to get the ball into the air more easily. This is usually attained by putting more weight at the bottom of the club. Tip 6. Look for game improvement irons. Game improvement irons are specifically designed to offer maximum forgiveness and improve the overall performance of golfers, especially amateur and senior golfers. They feature larger club heads, wider soles, and perimeter weighting, all of which can help senior golfers hit straighter and longer. Tip 7. Go for a hybrid iron set. Hybrid iron sets replace the difficult-to-hit longer irons with hybrids, making them easier to hit. This is a great option for senior golfers since they might struggle with longer irons due to slower swing speeds. Tip 8. Check the comfort and grip. Comfort is paramount for anyone, especially seniors. Opt for clubs with bigger and softer grips. Bigger grips limit possible hand action during a swing, leading to a less hooking or slicing, while softer grips are easier on arthritic hands. Tip 9. Consider the overall weight. Lighter clubs are easier for seniors to swing. The overall weight of the club can affect the swing speed, which is an aspect that seniors usually struggle with. Therefore, choosing a lighter club can make it comfortable for seniors to play. Tip 10. Prioritize durability. While considering all the aforementioned factors, you should not compromise on durability. Golf clubs can be an expensive investment, and it is important that your set lasts as long as possible. Ensure the irons are made of high-quality materials that can withstand wear and tear. Tip 11. Look at your budget. Golf irons come in varying prices. Depending on the brand and the specifications, some can be quite pricey. It's always a good idea to set a budget before stepping into shopping. Doing so will help you narrow down your options and prevent overspending.